let's do a few examples on comparing decimals, and the directions are telling us underline the greatest number, use the place value charts to help. So we want to plug in these numbers in the place value chart, so we're going to do that first. So we have 0.05, so we put 0.05 and then 0.009, and then we have 0.1. So it's basically asking us underline the greatest number, use the place value charts to help. So we have all of them are the same in the ones place, and then we look at the tens place. We have a 0 here, we have a 0 here, but we have a 1 here. So this decimal point right here would be the answer, and this would be the greatest number since the 1 is in the tens place and is greater than these that are zeros in the tens place, these two numbers here. So 0.1 would be the greatest. Okay, we have 1.04 and 1.2013 and 1.1. So we're going to plug this in the place value chart to make things easy. So we put 1.04, 1.2013, and 1.1. So we have all the same numbers in the ones place on 1, 1. We have our decimal point here. Then we look at the tens column. We have a 0 here, we have a 2 here, and we have a 1 here. So the 2 is the biggest. So this is automatically the largest and greatest out of the three numbers. So this would be the largest number, and so 1.2013 is the largest since the 2 is in the tens place, which is the greatest because here we have only a 1 and here we have a 0, but the 2 is the greatest. So this is the final answer to this problem right here. Okay, we have to write in order from the smallest to the greatest. So we have 0.293, 0.31, and 0.0491. So first, we look at the tens place on each of these numbers. And which one has the smallest? The 0 right here. So we're going to put this one first since it's the smallest. And then we look at the tens place here. 2 is smaller than the 3 here. So this would be the next one. So 0.293 and then 0.31. As you can see, the order is going from smallest to greatest. The 0 here is in the tens place, the 2 here is the tens place, and the 3 here is in the tens place. So 0, 2, 3. So you can see how the order is going from smallest to greatest. And then the next problem, we have 1.304, and then we have 1.34, and then we have 1.04.